Today, it's still going to be cold, and in fact, that cold air is with us for tomorrow, but don't you worry. Temperatures are going to rebound back to the 40s and 50s this week. It does come with some changes. We're back to the clouds, the rain, and the breeze, but we're a far cry from the 50s this morning. We're in the teens and 20s, currently 22 in Boston. We have to factor in that gusty breeze because it still feels a lot colder. Feels like -2 in Worcester, and for a lot of us, it feels like the single digits, and that is how you want to dress. So here's our weather setup. Radar and satellite, we have abundant sunshine, so we're not tracking anything. That cold front that you probably heard with the gusty wind last night that brought in the colder air, that's off to our east, along with that low pressure, while high pressure is off to our west, and we are sandwiched in between this. This creates a pressure gradient, and that drives that northwest wind across our region. So it's active, and gusts have been near 30 and above 30 miles per hour. This is the range we're going to stay in into this afternoon, likely with some stronger gusts potentially across the Worcester Hills. So you're going to feel that wind. It's going to be cold and make it feel much colder on our bodies. So throughout the entire day, I think it's going to feel more like it's in the single digits and teens, and that is how you want to dress. This evening, feeling like the single digits near 0, and in fact, tomorrow it could feel like it's closer to 0 in some spots. Again, feeling like it is below 0. So you want to keep that heavy winter coat and the winter accessories with you into tomorrow. Now, if you're rooting for a change in the temperatures, you're rooting for a south to southwesterly breeze, and that's what we get come Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. The wind's really going to pick up for a period as we watch an area of low pressure that's going to bring the return to rain. So a big chance of rain come Wednesday and Thursday. And look at some of these rainfall amounts. It's going to bring a lot of moisture with it. So it looks like potentially by the end of the day, Thursday, we're talking some spots picking up close to an inch, if not more than an inch of rainfall. A closer look at our next 24 hours today. High temperatures make it into a range of the mid to upper 20s. Luckily, we get a lot of sunshine to help offset that chill from that northwest wind. Now, tonight, the northwest wind is going to taper off. I think it's going to stay a little bit stronger along the coast. We're mainly clear, and temperatures are going to drop into the single digits and teens once again, but likely out the door tomorrow, feeling like it's closer to 0 degrees. High temperatures tomorrow, well, we recover maybe a degree or so, but still most of us are staying below freezing. Normal high in Boston is 42 this time of year, and we'll likely just reach near 30 degrees. We'll have a lot of sunshine and luckily less wind than what we're experiencing for today. That breeze returns Tuesday. Temperatures rebound into the upper 40s. Look where we head for Wednesday and Thursday, back into the mid to upper 50s. But it does come with that system that brings us that rain behind it. The wind turns gusty and it's cooler come Friday.
Well, the United States